First, all the machines are powered on.
Then connect the DMX signal lines between each unit, as in this picture. Since there are DMX interfaces on each machine, if the last machine needs to be connected to the DMX console for use, connect one port to a signal line to the console and the other port to the penultimate machine. If the last machine does not need to connect to the console, then one of the two ports will not need to connect to any machine. Then press this button in front of a machine, the light will light up. This setting is to set this machine as the host. Only this machine can receive the remote control signal. Other machines do not need to press this button. When you use the remote control of the host light effect, all the machines will be synchronized with the host changes.